Welcome to Data Management with ArcGIS Tutorial, and this video we are talking about personal geodatabase. We are talking about how to create geodatabase and then import as well as export and use the geodatabase. So we have to open the maps, and then how to create the geodatabase. You have to go to the Windows and go to Catalog. And this catalog is the quick way to go to ArcCatalog. As the previous video we are talking about ArcCatalog, and now I want to create my geodatabase on this, and I right click and use and personal geodatabase, and then I can put whatever name I want. So I can say my database and I click enter. So this is my database, and my database is currently blank because there is nothing. I haven't added anything at all. So I will show you how to add the shapefile to this geodatabase. So first of all, I have to load my shapefiles to the ArcMap first, and then I can click here on my geodatabase and I click import and feature, multiple feature, and then I can select all the feature at the same time as well as the right hand side, and then I click OK. Then it is processing to import the shapefile into my personal geodatabase. So my database currently is successfully add 3 shapefiles, add 3 features in my database. And if you right click on the database, and there is a word called descriptions. This word description will show you the metadata of our database. Again, the metadata is very important because when you share your database to others, they will know what kinds of data it is and access to use, as well as limitation and constraint of your data. So I would suggest you to fill the metadata that it will be useful for the next users to understand about your data as well as your database. And if you right click again and go to property, you will see that the location you store your database and domains, and how to add the file from the personal geodatabase. You can add the file from personal geodatabase by click and drag and drop and OK. Then it will show you here, and you can take it to the top, zoom to the layer, zoom to the layer. It will show you where it is, location of it. And when you want to export your files, you can go to the right click on my database, then you can export it to shapefile or to CAD file for AutoCAD or to HTML. You can export it, and then you decide what feature class you want to export. Okay, you want to export feature class. You can sell us where you want to sell, and then you can click OK. So your file will be sold to another place as the shapefile. With another method to export the data from the personal or from the geodatabase, you can right click on your file that already be used in ArcMap, and then you can sell export data, and then you can choose feature class and select location where you want, and you can select shapefiles when you sell outside, so it is normally become the shapefile. And when you store in the database, it is in the feature class in the database. So from now on, you will be able how to manage the data in personal geodatabase. And if you want to delete or drops the feature class, you can right click on it and you can click on delete, and it will ask you, when you click yes, it will go and it will come back. Thank you very much.